Hello everyone, I'm Nishika Gangwani, a final year computer engineering student. I built an AI marketing automation system using NA10, Grok Llama AI model, Gmail, and Google Sheets. Let me walk you through all three workflows. This is workflow 1, the AI content generator. You can see the flow on screen. A form trigger connects to a switch node, which automatically routes to three parallel AI pipelines based on what the user selects. So now I'm filling the form. First, I select the content type, then I enter the product name, the target audience which I am targeting to, and the tone. Then I click submit. The switch node reads the content type and routes to the add copy branch. The code node builds a structured prompt with my inputs injected dynamically. The HTTP node calls Grok Llama model and the parse node extracts clean JSON. And here is the output. Facebook ad, Google ad, and Instagram caption. All generated instantly with a headline, body, and call to action as separate fields. Now let me show you for campaign ideas. So I am entering. So for campaign ideas, I again entered the content type, product name, target audience, and the tone. Then I clicked submit. The switch routes to the campaign ideas branch. And here are the 5 personalized campaign ideas. This is what structured AI output looks like. Not a paragraph of text, but usable data. This is workflow 2, the personalized email sender. This is where automation starts. I fill in the sender name, the recipient name, purpose, and some context. I clicked submit. Grok generates a personalized email based on the purpose and context. Gmail sends it automatically. I never opened Gmail. I never wrote the email. The workflow did everything. And here, the email arrived in my inbox. Subject line, personalized body, signed as Nishika Gangwani. Sent automatically by the workflow. This is workflow 3, the campaign email blast. This is the most powerful one. You can see 3 triggers: a manual trigger for testing, a scheduled trigger that fires every Monday at 9 a.m. automatically, and a Google Sheets trigger that fires whenever a new row is added. My Google Sheet has a prospect list, names, emails, and interest of real people. I click Execute Workflow. The manual trigger fires. Read all contacts reads everyone with empty status. And for each person, Grok generates a personalized campaign email based on their specific interest. Gmail sends to each person automatically. And watch, the Google Sheet status updates to send for all contacts automatically. And here's the proof. My friend received the email. Personalized subject line, personalized body mentioning their interest. Signed professionally, they didn't know this was automated. The key thing here is I didn't write a single email. I didn't open Gmail once. I didn't manually update the sheet. The entire pipeline ran automatically from just one click. Thank you. This is the fourth workflow. I have integrated Resend API for email delivery, specifically because Resend supports open and click tracking through webhooks, which Gmail's SMTP doesn't offer natively. Now, currently, I'm using Resend's shared test domain, onboarding resend.dev, because I haven't verified a custom domain yet. This means email can only be sent to my own address for testing purposes. The moment I verify or purchase a custom domain, Resend unlocks sending to any recipient with full click and open tracking, firing automatically in real time. For the demo right now, I'm simulating the tracking events using webhook payloads, which is exact same data structure Resend sends in production. The pipeline is identical. The only difference is I'm triggering it manually instead of firing it from a real open or click. This is email tracking handler. It runs silently in the background, permanently active, waiting for signals from Resend. The webhook node receives the event. The code node extracts two things: what happened and was it open or click, which contact triggered it, using the row number we attached when sending. Then Google Sheet node finds the exact row and updates the status automatically. Watch this. I'll simulate a real recent webhook event. This is the exact same payload Resend sends in production. Here's how it works. The moment a contact opens the email or clicks the book a free call button, Resend detects that event and fires a webhook, a real time notification to this workflow through ngrok, which is our public tunnel to the local server. It clicked the entire funnel, sent, opened, tracked automatically in real time. No manual work, no checking dashboards. The sheet updates itself. And here is the ngrok dashboard. You can see every single request that came in, the timestamp, the payload, the 200 OK confirmation. This is a live stream, not a mock up. This is workflow 5, hyper personalized cold outreach. The basic email blast in workflow 3, personalized by interest. This goes 5 levels deeper. Look at the Google Sheet. We're not just storing name and email. We have their role, their company, their industry, their years of experience, their specific pain point, and recent news about them or their company. For every single contact, the build prompt node constructs a detailed brief for the AI. Who is this person? What they're struggling with? What's happening in their world right now? It's like briefing a human copywriter before they write an email. That brief goes to Grok API running Llama 3.3, 70 billion parameters, one of the most powerful open source models available. Grok is extremely fast. A fully personalized email generates in under 2 seconds. The AI writes a unique subject line and a unique email body for every single contact, not a template with a name swapped in. A genuinely different email, different opening line, different pain point reference, different value proposition, all written specifically for that person. The parse node extracts the subject and body, attaches the tracking tag, and passes it to resend, which delivers it. The sheet updates to send automatically, and when they open or click, Workflow 4 takes over and updates the status in real time. What used to take a sales team hours of research and writing for each CXO This does in seconds at any scale. Add 100 contacts with their details, hit execute. 100 completely human sounding emails go out automatically. Thank you.